Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Kaizen Step. Do you want to work in a quality department in a reputable organization? Do you know the differences between quality control and the quality assurance? In this video, we will discuss the differences and illustrate it to you. So let's start our video now. Let's start with the definition. Simply, quality control is used to verify the quality of the output or product, like identifying defects. But quality assurance is used to ensure quality of process which used to produce the product. Actually, definition not only the difference, as they are different also in the scope and focus area, as you will find that. Quality control aims to identify and correct defects in the finished product. So it is a reactive process, as it deals with the output of process after being developed. On the other hand, quality assurance aims to prevent defect from occurrence, so it is a proactive approach or a proactive process, as it focuses in process performance which produce the product itself. Goals also different between quality control and quality assurance, as goal of quality control is to identify defects after a product is developed and before its release. But quality assurance goal is improved development and test processes so that defects don't arise when the product is being developed. As both had goals, so logically each one had different approach to achieve that goal. And you will find that quality control finds and eliminates sources of detected quality problems through tools and equipment. But quality assurance establishes a good quality management system and the assessment of its adequacy, and also perform periodic conformance audit of the operations of the system to make sure that everything is in place as per organization design. Each function needs someone to be responsible for it. As per our comparison, quality control is usually the responsibility of a specific team who perform analysis and inspection for product and defects. But quality assurance is the responsibility of everyone who involved in product development. Quality control and quality assurance use statistical techniques, but they are different little bit. As in quality control, statistical tools and techniques are applied to finished product process outputs, and they are called as statistical quality control, SQC. But in quality assurance, statistical tools and techniques are applied to process inputs and operational parameters, and they are called statistical process control, SPC. Let's recap what we say in this video. Quality assurance refers to the process used to create the deliverables. Example of quality assurance include process checklists, project audits, and methodology and standards development. Quality control refers to quality-related activities associated with the creation of project deliverables. Quality control is used to verify that deliverables are of acceptable quality and they are complete and correct. For example, quality control activities include inspection, deliverable peer reviews, and the testing process. In other words, quality assurance activities are determined before production work begins, and these activities are performed while that product is being developed. In contrast, quality control activities are performed after the product is developed. Here we are finished our video. Thank you for watching us. If you're interested in our content, please subscribe our channel and activate bell symbol to get all updates on time. With Kaizen Step, stay tuned. See you later in our next video. Goodbye.